So the reason I decided to make this video was there is almost a 5 to 10k difference between a 1650 and 1650 Ti models of laptops from many manufacturers. Meanwhile, an 8 GB stick of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM costs under 3500 bucks. So a question arose in my mind. Is it better to buy a laptop with a 1650 Ti and 8 GB RAM, or buy a 1650 laptop with 16 gigs of RAM? Let's get started. The difference between 1650 and 1650 Ti is very marginal, as you can see by the specs here on Nvidia's website. In this excellent video by Jared, he concludes that the average performance difference between a 1650 and a 1650 Ti is just shy of 4.5%. But we are paying almost 5 to 10k, it depends on varying laptop manufacturers and their models, for a 1650 Ti. When you are playing a game, the resources and textures needed to run it need to be loaded from your storage and onto your memory. If you have just 8 gigs of RAM, system has to continuously load that data onto the memory and also remove it quickly if it thinks that the data isn't needed anymore because of memory limitation. Remember, Windows also requires around 1.5 gigs of memory to work in the background. But if that data is required again, it needs to load it from the storage, which is far slower than accessing it from RAM. This introduces latency and microstutters, which causes your FPS to drop. But if you have 16 gigs of memory, a lot more of that data can be cached and thus quickly accessed when needed. Let's take GTA 5 for example. In 1080p very high settings, 8 gigs of RAM gave me 45 to 48 FPS, but 16 gigs gave me smooth 60 FPS experience with a 1650, which is far superior than if I had a 1650 Ti and just 8 gigs of RAM. Also to mention the multitasking improvements, as when you boot up a Windows machine with 8 gigs of RAM only, your RAM usage is already at 40 to 45%. Gone are the days of code studios with 2 gigs of RAM. With 16 gigs, you can open a lot more programs without slowing down your system. And also, the most new games that we play around, more than 8 gigs of memory is always better for them. Conclusion time. So in my opinion, you should opt for a 1650 with 16 gigs of RAM in your laptop configuration rather than a 1650 Ti with 8 gigs of RAM. Since 1650 Ti is only 4 to 5% better than a 1650, and an 8 gig stick of RAM, if you want to additionally install it, only costs 3.5k, and that will lead to a much better experience while gaming and even with productivity related tasks. If you have any questions, ask us in the comments and join us on Telegram, where our community is over 200 people strong. Like and subscribe.